Hi, Phil Swift here. People everywhere tell me how much they love the Flex Seal family of products.
Definitely a lifesaver. I love Flex Seal and I'll use all their products.
For the common homeowner, it's a life changer.
I'm not sure what magic you guys do, but the stuff is incredibly durable.
This stuff is awesome.
It really works.
Best stuff ever got.
Flex Seal. I always have a can of Flex Seal in my house, always.
Product definitely does what it says. Stops leaks.
We love meeting Flex Seal fans like these.
If you're a do-it-yourselfer, Flex Seal is the way to go.
I've been using Flex Seal since 2012, and it's been a very proven product.
We absolutely love Flex Seal. I would recommend it to anyone for any project. It's fantastic.
You've got to get Flex Tape. Best tape I've ever used. I've already told a lot of people about it.
Once you start using it, you start finding all these other uses that you wouldn't even think of.
Imagine everything you could do with the Flex Seal family of products.